Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the sort of past week, acquiring 2.7%, which for the most part is very critical. The cost of Axie endlessness certainly rose by 1.3% in the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is very huge. As far as Axie support floor, it explicitly is currently $10.21 in a quite huge manner. Axie certainly has its genuinely next obstruction at $11.87, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. The 4th of April 2023. In this video we will explicitly walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these much of the time explicitly clarified some pressing issues. What basically is somewhat transient cost expectation for Axie limitlessness. Generally is acts an excellent interest in a truly significant manner. Axie boundlessness support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they truly thought. Yet, prior to plunging truly profound into the Axie specialized investigation, by and large let us generally discuss the genuinely current economic situations, fundamentally in spite of prevalent thinking. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours. There generally was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1.82407897,617, or so they fundamentally thought. The very all-out exchanging volume in every way that really matters remains at $52,294,939,930, showing how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the fundamentally past week, acquiring 2.7% in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which fundamentally shows that the sort of complete exchanging volume remains at $52,294,939,930, exhibiting how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 2.7% in an especially significant manner, which brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $28,030.66 level after a decay of 0.12%, which explicitly is very huge. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 3.5%, coming to $1,860.70 during the past 24 hours, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 45.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%. Which fundamentally shows that the exceptionally complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $52,294,939,930, showing how Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the truly past week, acquiring 2.7%, or so they generally thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $311.03. Following a value change of 0.21% inside a similar time span, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. XRP, the especially local coin of XRP, truly is somewhere around 2.13 and presently exchanging at 50 cents, which generally is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a by and large significant way. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market generally is going in a sort of descending heading for certainly present moment, in every practical sense. Further appearance how the cost of Axie limitlessness in a real sense rose by 1.3% in the past 24 hours in a significant way. Right now, a for the most part broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how as of now, and in every way that really matters, general essentially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they fundamentally thought. Axie endlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction really are significant specialized markers used to in every practical sense. Distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. Support truly is a level at which purchasers in every practical sense become essentially more for the most part dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how Axie truly has its by and large next opposition at $11.87, or so they for the most part thought. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers sort of become move in every way that really matters, dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they for the most part thought. Following most certainly are the help and obstruction levels of Axie limitlessness, Axie endlessness execution. The everyday outline of Axie vastness by and large shows that the Axie cost explicitly has sort of flooded up with a 1.3% increment and genuinely beyond 24 hours, which really is very huge. The value worth of the Axie endlessness coin sort of is remaining at $8.36 with market capitalization $969,374,274 USD. So Axie truly has its truly next obstruction at $11.87, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie cost changes 2.7% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume truly is floating around $44,562,376 USD. So Axie boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction certainly are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish truly key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they essentially thought. Axie Endlessness Value Investigation Axie Cost Examination for the 4th of April 2023 inside a fundamentally everyday time period by and large made sense of beneath, showing how similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which vendors truly become move essentially dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they in a real sense thought. We use in every practical sense, relative strength index, moving genuinely normal union and difference, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving certainly normal and dramatic moving especially normal to basically examine the future development of the Axie endlessness, showing how Axie boundlessness backing and opposition especially are significant specialized pointers used to basically recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in a sort of large manner. The Axie limitlessness in a real sense has certainly break all its truly upholds levels, and things generally are not searching all things considered. Great for the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, for the most part, bears by and large are in charge of the market and effectively by and large take Axie cost beneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid in a genuinely large manner. Axie limitlessness financial backers need to fundamentally sit tight for any directional change over the by and large everyday outline, showing how furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and fundamentally is attempting to for the most part break out of the negative zone while featuring enormous negative strength, which basically shows the Axie cost changes 2.7% over the course of the week while the exchanging volume basically is drifting around $44,562,376 USD. So Axie vastness backing and opposition backing and obstruction generally are significant specialized pointers used to in every practical sense distinguish all things considered key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in an unpretentious manner. While Axie's Williams %R pointer in every practical sense is at 61.794 for the 14-day time span demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signal generally is especially conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that as of now, truly bears truly are in charge of the market and effectively truly take Axie cost underneath the pivotal help level of $10.21, which generally is genuinely critical. Axie endlessness market certainly gives a bullish indications. And bulls can really push Axie sort of higher in the approaching meetings, so the in every practical sense, complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $52,294,939,930, showing how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over